Hello everyone, welcome to Aman Babu tutorials, complete solution for your study. Today in this video we are going to write and learn 10 line essay on Diwali. Number 1. Diwali is a famous Hindu festival. Number 2. It is the festival of lights. Number 3. It is celebrated in October or November. Number 4. On this day, Lord Rama came back from exile. Number 5. We clean and paint our house on Diwali. Number 6. We decorate our house with diyas. Number 7. We make rangoli in our house. Number 8. We worship Goddess Lakshmi at night. Number 9. We eat many types of food and sweets. Number 10. It marks the victory of light over darkness. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.